This is a huge
and
deal.
a victory.
Big victory on many fronts. First of all, now that he won the racketeering charge, the government cannot come after his assets, right? His money is much safer. A racketeering charge allows the government to come after all his personal business, all his finances that he's coveted over these last several years, and really that he's used for his power in, unfortunately, these situations.
That's a little nugget I did not even realize. So the money is safe.
Money's safe.
What happens now, though? We talked about how Diddy is still behind bars. Credit for time served?
He'll get about 10 months credit for time served. His sentencing was originally scheduled for October. I don't know if people realize that. However, his attorneys filed an emergency motion asking that the sentencing be expedited. It'll be next week on July the 8th. Now, he's looking at a potential of, I believe, 10 years. He's not going to get 10 years.
Not going to get 10 years because there's no prior, or what's the deal?
No priors. The offense itself is not considered as serious as the other charges, obviously. He doesn't have as bad of a background. And frankly, that charge it's not really looked at as bad as the racketeering and the sex trafficking. He'll probably get, I'd say, 2 to 3 years. He'll get the 10 months credit. There'll be conditions of probation. If the judge gives him also probation in addition to the prison, he'll be out before you know it.
But he ain't walking out of there at that sentencing, is what you're saying.
He probably won't be walking out of there at that sentencing, but maybe shortly thereafter.